Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. I have a quick nail video for you today. I am going to be doing these beautiful winter limited edition nails from imPRESS. They're absolutely gorgeous. They have a little snowflake on some of the nails, and then they have this pretty winter pink and the gold accent nail as well. So these are going to be press-ons. I'm going to put a dab of my glue just to make sure that they don't go anywhere and stay put for at least a week. So let's get them on. I'm going to choose my sizes and cut them down because they do appear to be a little too long for me. Now I have already removed my nails. I removed my nails probably, I don't know, a few days ago. So I don't have to do that step. But if you need to know how to remove them and how I prep my nails, I'm going to link my most recent nail tutorial right above this side. And yeah, so let's get started.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's swim, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's swim, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's swim, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in. Yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far. 'Cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Yeah, I would never ever let you go. I would treat you right, treat you right. Baby, I would always hold you close. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know.
All right, guys, so in under 15 minutes, I have a brand new manicure. I absolutely love these nails. They are adorable. They are called Crystal Snowflake, and I will definitely link them below if I can find them. But they are just so pretty, and I did have to trim the top of the snowflake, but the snowflake is still there, and it still looks really, really pretty. I love the little shiny sort of opalescent. Is that a word? Opalescent? It's not really gold. I don't know if you can tell if it is coming out in the video, but it just has a beautiful, beautiful shine and sparkle to it. And the pink, this kind of winter pink, it all just really works together. I absolutely love it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for coming along for this quick nail video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel and coming on back. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.